Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. Today's video is all about skincare tips for teens. Whether you're 10, 15, or 18, it's super important to start building a good skincare routine early on to keep your skin healthy and glowing. So, if you want to learn the basics of taking care of your skin, keep watching. 1. Cleanse gently. The first step in any skincare routine is cleansing your skin. As a teen, your skin is still developing, and it's important to choose a gentle cleanser that won't strip away your skin's natural oils. Choose a cleanser that is labeled as gentle or for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh soaps or cleansers with strong fragrances, as they can irritate your skin. Wash your face twice a day, once in the morning to remove any sweat or oil that built up overnight, and once before bed to clear away dirt. Use lukewarm water to rinse. Hot water can dry out your skin. 2. Moisturize daily. After cleansing, the next crucial step is moisturizing. No matter your skin type, oily, dry, or combination, everyone needs moisturizer. If you have oily skin, look for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer that won't clog your pores. For dry skin, choose a thicker cream or lotion that provides more hydration. 3. Don't skip sunscreen. The sun's UV rays can cause long-term damage, including premature aging and skin cancer. Even on cloudy days, up to 80% of UV rays can penetrate your skin, so it's important to wear sunscreen every day. Apply it at least 15 minutes before going outside, and don't forget to reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're sweating or swimming. Bonus tip: look for makeup products that also contain SPF for added protection. 5. Importance of hydration and nutrition. Skincare isn't just about products. What you put into your body matters too. Drinking plenty of water helps to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Include plenty of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as healthy fats like avocados and nuts, can contribute to better skin health. These can lead to breakouts and inflammation, so try to enjoy them in moderation. So those are top skincare tips for teens. Remember, the key is to keep it simple, be consistent, and listen to your skin. Start building these healthy habits now, and your skin will thank you in the long run. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty and skincare tips.